Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel of Falcons United Cricket Club. Myself Swapnil Varkhade, I am the captain of this team. So first of all, talking about our club, we have formed this club in the year of 2013, and from last 7 years, we are trying to push ourselves to grow individually and to grow as a team. So we are a bunch of players who have different professions as a career, but we try to take our time to live our passion and love towards the game. So as we all know that we have lockdown inside our house, and that's why we can't go outside. So today I will show you one batting drill. You can perform this inside your house, and you can really do it in very small space. And for this drill, you don't want anyone to bowl at you. Then basically for this we are using this sponge ball or a smiley ball, you can say. I'm using this because even if it hits anything, it won't harm. So basically you don't have to be scared about your mom or your wife. Talking about the drill, we can name it as drop ball drill. You might have seen this in some other videos as well, but today I will show you a lot of variations in it so that you can play a lot of other shots instead of just driving the ball. So without any further ado, let's start the drill. So first I will show you how you can drive the ball straight. We will play straight drives. So I have taken my stance and then I will drop the ball and play straight. So one more tip I can give you is, when you are driving the ball or when you are playing some shot, just hold that pose so that you can have a better balance as well. So I have dropped the ball and I have played through the line. Okay, so this is about the straight drive. Similarly, you can play off drive as well. So now I will drop ball here and then I will play. So like this, I can play it through the covers as well. So the only thing you have to do is, while dropping the ball, just twist your shoulder a bit or neck a bit and then release it and then play through the covers. This we will play some shots through the covers and then hold the pose so that you can have a better balance. So after playing drives, straight drive and cover drive, now I will show you how we can play square cut as well. We can play through squares. So now you have to twist your neck more and then drop the ball. Okay, so like this we can play through the covers. I will show you again. I have twisted it a bit, waited for a minute and then played through the played through the squares. One more time. Okay. So this is about the square cut, and this we have played on the front foot. So now I will show you how we can play back foot punch as well. So for that, what we will do, before dropping the ball, I will just go on back foot, maybe on fourth or fifth stump, and then I will release it and then I will play a punch. Okay, so watch it again. If before dropping the ball, I have gone to the back foot and then punched it. Once more, like this. So after playing some shots on offside, I will show you how you can play it on onside as well. Okay. So first we will play on front foot. I will drop it and I can play it on onside as well. So I am dropping the ball just in front of my leg. Okay. Like this. I have played it on onside from front foot. We can play on onside from back foot as well. So like this, I have taken the stance. I will not go on front foot. I will not put my body weight on front foot. I will just drop the ball. Yeah, so you can see that I will play it on from back foot to onside. So like this, we can practice almost 6 to 7 shots on our own. So I have shown you straight drive, on drive, off drive, then cover drive as well. We can play on back foot punch. Then we can play square drive as well. We can play on onside. So like this, we can play almost all the shots. So from this channel, a few of our other team members, even they will share their cricketing tips to all the aspiring cricketers out there, so that they can focus and they can improve their basics and techniques, cricketing techniques, by staying at home. Then let us know how much you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Stay home, stay strong and enjoy the game.